Alright guys, Jason Greystone back again. Thought I'd put out another video today because we had a good day in the London live room, and I wanted to share with you a couple of trades. One's a bit a day trade and one was a swing trade. We had a day trade on the Aussie CAD. It was a 2-target winning trade, so I'll show you the 2 targets we took on that. Target 1 was 22 pips and target 2 was 34 pips. So we had a good day trade on the Aussie CAD. We had another couple of trades, but one of the trades I want to share with you is a Euro-Yen trade as well. So I want to walk you through step by step the entire analysis on that pair, how we got into the trade, where we took targets, how we managed the trade, and really show you the power of the analysis in my trading. So lots of you get lots of value from that. So sit back, grab a pen, take some notes, and I'll see you in a minute.
Explain what I was looking at. So if we go out to the daily, time frame, Euro Yen, you can see after consolidating down here, and if you can't see this consolidation, it is this zone here. Consolidation, structure consolidation. We finally broke out of that, and we put in a higher high. So where would you guys say is the next level that's likely to be tested? We violated these structure levels, violated this structure level. Where would be the next level we're looking for to be tested? Remember, these structure levels are like magnets. Tony says 122. Yep, 122 is a decent level. Next level of structure resistance is 120.80s here, okay? This is the area I'd be looking at to be tested next. So as we drop down the lower time frames, you might be looking to get long, seeing as we're putting in new structure high, outside return, new structure high, outside return. Okay, no real structure to get stops below on this time frame, but as we drop down to the lower time frames, what we saw was, I think I put this on TradingView this morning. If you don't follow me on TradingView, go over and follow me on there as well, because I put some of the ideas out. But essentially what we did was we put in this new structure high, outside return, new structure high. Now this is the outside return here, right? This is the outside return here. And if this is the outside return, then as we pull down into this level, this is where you're looking for an opportunity to get long if you're looking for that trend continuation. So this would be my kill zone. You'd be looking for a pull down into this zone, higher high, higher close maybe. Maybe some of you guys were looking at the equal measured move down here. So you might be looking at that. Fib inversion. We had a fib inversion down there as well that you might have been looking at down at this level here. Or if you trade advanced patterns, we had a bat formation down here as well. Let me just bring on the fib retracement. Aggressive entry down at the fib inversion, down a bit lower than the fib inversion. Yesterday it didn't quite fill me on the first entry, but I got in on the second opportunity, which allowed me to get long this pair. Now the way I'm handling this is I've got target ones just above. I've just set them below 120 flat. Okay, so my risk reward is something like this. Does that look good? And that is the difference on being able to read a price chart and knowing how to we have pushed up. If you use the bat pattern targets, you would have hit target 1. As you rolled down, you can see hit target 1. Maybe you've rolled stops to break even on this. I'm looking for targets right up here. So little way to go for me yet. But that's what I'm looking at. Any questions on this so far? Alright, so just to update you on this, I'm not gonna sit here and watch this, but just to update you, hopefully we can hit target. Hopefully we can hit targets on this. I've got my targets sitting just below the 120 even handle number. I want to front run my orders slightly just below that even handle number, so I've got more of a chance of getting filled. But hopefully we can hit targets. We'll just have to wait and see. And there we go, just hit targets on this. So I'm going to close off my orders, and that's 110 pips in the bag on this trade. Alright guys, welcome back. Second session of the London Live Room. Just thought I'd pull this trade up whilst we was on the break, just so you could see how we manage the trade. If we hit target ones, we haven't quite hit target ones yet, but if we hit target ones, then we can roll our stops to break even. I can't do anything until then. Alright, so it's just showing you guys the discipline of the trade. If we don't hit this target, I can't roll my stops to break even. Now, if we come within 1 pip of this target, then I can roll my stops to break even. Alright, but until then, we just have to sit and wait and hopefully hit targets. Alright, we've just hit target ones on this. Let's ring the cash register first of all. Now, we can roll our stops to break even. Let me just adjust this down. Doing everything manually so you guys can see, but we can roll this down to break even. Now we're in a risk-free trade. So we've got 24 pips out of this to target 1. We now just let price action roll down. Hopefully hit target 2. Haven't quite adjusted this correctly. Let me just adjust this down. Make sure target 2 is in the right place. We're on the 5-minute chart. So hopefully we can hit target 2. We'll keep an eye on that, but well done if you got involved in that. Good start to the week. And just to tie off on the Aussie CAD 5-minute trade we had going on, we were short. Had target 2s down at 100.29. You can see we rolled down, hit that before pushing up, and then we've started to roll down again. So 2 target winner there on the Aussie CAD. Couple of nice trades in today's session. So I look forward to seeing you in the London Live Room tomorrow, where we can see what else is on the radar. So I'll see you then.
Alright guys, so that was it. So hopefully you got some value from that. Lots of you really enjoy my style of analysis. It really is quite simple. And you know, feel free to come into the live room. We do this sort of stuff every single day. Go through 8 pairs in my portfolio. And doing the same thing over and over again. Consistency is key, and there was lots of new guys in the live room today, and they'll come in tomorrow and they'll realise that every time I approach the markets, I approach them in the same way, and that's the only way to consistently generate profits from the market. So feel free to come over. Go to tradingpower.com, click on the London Live Room banner. You can come in free for a week, or alternatively, we're coming towards the end of 2016 now. If you thought about getting into trading, into Forex, and you haven't really got to where you wanted to be, we've obviously released the Forex Basics course, the Essential Guide for Beginners. You can go over to tradingpower.com, click on that, and you can come into the live room and work with me for the next 30 days. So go over, check that out. I look forward to seeing you soon, and until the next video, take care.